Alright, man. I'm gonna get up there, alright?
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I called you out, you got serving that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Nova came, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that.
Mr. Solo. We're gonna have this nature walk together today. See how peaceful it is, bro? Like you can hear the crickets and everything. You can hear the birds chirping and stuff. It's beautiful, man. Simply beautiful. Ooh, that sun kinda hitting, bruh. See how that sun hitting, bro? Ooh. The solo. What does this say? The Texan Santa Fe expedition crossed the Wichita Rivers near this spot, August 4th, 1841. Wichita Falls junior historians sponsored this marker on the expedition's 100th anniversary. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about, but okay. Bro, what if something just popped out of there, man? Gee. It's gonna be a surprise for y'all at the end. About to go see some nice. Damn, there's mosquitoes out here. Jesus. Ouch. Hey, man. Bad idea. Why is it so dark over here? Bad idea to come out here with no sweater, but with no shirt on, man. Hella mosquitoes out here, man. Shee. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright.
Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the road. What? My phone's here? My GPS is still on? Oh, what if my phone just falls? Careful, hold on. I did that. It's currently 7:32 p.m. and it's still bright as fuck. That's how you know summer's here, man. Summertime. This is beautiful, by the way. Look at this. sounded like somebody's peeing, but I was like, who's hiding down here? Who's peeing down here? There was a nigga hiding down there peeing and shit. Let's keep going. There's a surprise at the end. Yeah, wait for it. We're almost there, boys. Let me show y'all this quality, man. Hold on. Let me show you the quality. Keep it going. But Wichita's a beautiful place. It's country. It's a small town. With the camera. How y'all doing?
We blessed. How you doing?
I'm good. Really peaceful. Damn. That light really hit me, bro. Nature, this is so beautiful, bro. I'm at peace right now. Like 100% peace. Nobody can tell me shit right now, man. Look at this flower bed right here real quick. Bro, this color is so crazy, like. Can you really see it? It's not really showing the true color, but like that shit is beautiful, man. Shit. Nice. Oh. We're almost there. Bro, I ain't never seen no shit like this, bro. Do you see these flowers, bro? They got two colors in the same. Like, let me take one. Like, do y'all see these? Like, two colors in the same leaf, bro. That's crazy. Oh, that scared me. It's okay. Damn, what the hell did that dog want? Sorry? Yeah, it's videos. I make YouTube videos.
Huh?
I make YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
So it's a video I'm taking. Can I get him?
You can get him,
He's beautiful though.
Very careful.
Careful. I'm good. I'm friendly.
He's weird. Like, sometimes he's nice, and then the skateboarder guys, he was fine with the first one, the second one, he's like, raw.
I know.
I was like, what?
It's a beautiful dog though.
Thank you.
Well, y'all have a nice evening.
You too.
Alright. Oh, my YouTube channel? It's called All Round Brian.
All around Brian.
Yeah, All Round Brian. If you find it, okay. Thanks.
Is it BR?
Now he likes BRIAN. Yes, ma'am.
Well, remember that.
Alright. Alright, thank you. Oh, it's dry today. Damn. Ah, it's dry today.
You got more water than
No. Damn, that's an L. So there's usually a waterfall right here, but a really beautiful one. But look at this shit, bro. It's dry. Ain't no water coming out. Bro, I'm finna get up there, bro. Watch and see. Hold on, let me see if I can set this camera up. Alright, man. I'm gonna get up there, alright? Well, that's what I was gonna show you guys. A waterfall. That was a nice little walk, right? A nice little nature walk we had. Anyways, hope you all enjoy. Love you, mofos. You'll see me when you see me. Laters.
Bye, have a great time.